Consider the following figure. There are four identical spheres, and these are each of length L naught. L naught. They are just touching each other. The first sphere is raised to a level so that it becomes horizontal. So it is raised till here, and it is dropped from here. We need to find the velocity of fourth sphere just before it starts moving, and consider every collision between these are elastic. So as every collision is going to be elastic, there will be no dissipation of force. So we can write the equation of conservation of energy. So what is this? M into G into L naught. This is the state 1, which is equals to half into, let's write it as M1 for clarity, half into M4 into V4 square. So we can directly write from this scenario to this scenario where the fourth sphere starts moving. So as M1 and M4 are equal, we can cancel these terms out. 2 into G into L naught. This is the velocity just before it starts moving.